What if I told you, this small scooter can handle roads your bike can't? Hey guys, welcome back to SG Riders, New Updates, your ultimate destination for the latest bikes, scooters, and automotive content. Today, we're looking at the 2026 Yamaha Zuma 125, a scooter that's not just for the city, but built for adventure. This is not your typical smooth, stylish scooter. This is a rugged machine with aggressive looks, tough performance, and the ability to handle rough roads like a mini off-road beast. So if you think scooters are boring, this video is going to change your mind completely. Engagement CTA. Before we go further, make sure to subscribe to SG Riders, New Updates, and hit the bell icon because you don't want to miss the latest 2026 bike and scooter launches. Design and looks. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Yamaha Zuma 125 comes with a bold, aggressive, and rugged look that instantly stands out. You get dual asymmetrical headlights, a tough front fascia, exposed frame styling, adventure-inspired body panels. This scooter looks like it's ready to climb hills instead of just cruising streets. Unlike smooth scooters like Bergman or PCX, Zuma gives you a raw, off-road vibe. And honestly, it looks like a mini transformer on two wheels. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Zuma 125 packs a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine, Yamaha's Blue Core technology, variable valve actuation (VVA). What does that mean for you? Heavy checkmark smooth acceleration. Heavy checkmark better fuel efficiency. Heavy checkmark strong low-end torque. This scooter is not about top speed. It's about power where you actually need it, especially on rough roads or uphill rides. And thanks to the automatic CVT transmission, just twist the throttle and go. Ride and suspension. This is where Zuma really shines. It comes with telescopic front suspends, dual rear shocks, wide chunky tires. This setup makes it perfect for heavy checkmark broken roads, heavy checkmark dirt paths, heavy checkmark uneven terrain. While most scooters struggle on bad roads, Zuma actually feels at home there. Fuel economy. Now let's talk about fuel economy. The Zuma 125 delivers around, backhand index pointing right 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. That means heavy checkmark great for daily commuting, heavy checkmark budget friendly, heavy checkmark long distance capable. So you get power and efficiency, a rare combo. Features. Even though it looks rugged, Zuma doesn't compromise on features. You get digital LCD display, USB charging port electric plug, large underseat storage, disc brakes with unified braking system. So yes, it's practical and tough. Price and value. In the US market, the price is around $3,700 to $3,800. And if imported to countries like Pakistan, it can go up to 10 to 13 lakh PKR depending on availability. But for what it offers, it's definitely worth considering. So, who should buy the Zuma 125? Backhand index pointing right. If you want a normal city scooter, this is not for you. Backhand index pointing right, but if you want a rugged design, strong road presence, ability to handle rough terrain, then this scooter is perfect. It's basically a mini adventure machine in scooter form. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment your thoughts, bell, subscribe to SG Riders, New Updates. And tell me, would you choose this over a normal scooter? Ending line. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.